do you have any views or experience on how once an organization embraces data sharing on Snowflake, how it impacts their business, and what's the relative importance of that as a driver to accelerate their digital transformation?
Right. So the first thing to realize is every company is now thinking about digital transformation. Okay.
Yeah.
Every company realizes that hey, they need to sort of be on the cutting edge of technology adoption to be able to better engage with their customers, to be able to do better whatever they want to do. And the other realization that goes hand in hand with digital transformation is people realize what a phenomenal asset they have in data, or they can have in data, and how do they use that for meaningful ways to advance their business. Okay. Yeah. And you think about hey, data for the most part, you talk to an enterprise CIO or a CTO, one of the problems they'll tell you about data is hey, I know I have a lot of data. I know I have a lot of valuable data, but guess what? My data is all siloed. Okay. Every system has got its own store, and every system has got its own data kind of thing. And there is no easy way for me to be able to think about how can I look at my data holistically, okay, and then figure out what I can do with it. A system like Snowflake enables you to do that. Now, even Snowflake would tell you that hey, if you want to bring all of your data into Snowflake, that is great, but you can do that at your own pace. It's not you need to bring all of the data that you have in your enterprise into Snowflake day one for you to be able to take advantage of all the capabilities that Snowflake has. And part of it is to say hey, you bring some data into it for you to be able to share that data with other parts of your company or with some of your partners or customers, enable them to have Snowflake accounts, and boom, they can start accessing data, right? They don't need to put in more data yet. If they want to put in, sure, Snowflake would love the world's data to be on Snowflake someday. So that's not an issue, right? But you don't need to wait for all pieces of data to be there to start seeing the value of Snowflake and data sharing kind of thing. And today everybody works with their partners, their customers, right? They want to be able to share data, but they can't. Snowflake enables you to do that seamlessly.
Yeah. I'm wondering if the audience remembers the days of EDI and platforms like Bstock for doing data exchanges. I think everybody reverts to exporting CSVs and putting them on FTPs and importing them on the other side. And